Ever wondered how you can earn by sharing your favorite Temu finds? Let's dive into getting your very own Temu affiliate code. First things first, you'll need to access the Temu affiliate program. This typically involves visiting the official Temu website and navigating to there. Affiliates or partners section, look for a clear link, often found in the footer of the homepage. Once you've found the affiliate program page, you'll likely need to create an account or log in. If you're already a Temu user, this process usually involves providing some basic information about yourself and how you plan to promote Temu. After your account is approved, you'll gain access to your personalized affiliate dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You should see an option to generate or find your unique affiliate code. Your affiliate code is your key to earning. It's a special identifier that links sales made through your promotion back to you. Copy this code. You'll be using it everywhere you share. Now, how do you use it? Simply share your code. When you promote Temu products on your social media, blog, or even just with friends, be sure to include your affiliate code often. You can create special promotional links that already have your code embedded. When someone uses your unique code or clicks on your affiliate link to make a purchase on Temu, you'll earn a commission on that sale. The more people who use your code, the more opportunities you have to earn. So that's the quick and easy guide to getting your Temu affiliate code. Start sharing, start earning, and happy promoting.